What's going on, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another little video, and today we are going to be putting some stunt things on the Grom. I've just fucking fallen over a screwdriver. So I was going to do two separate videos, one on just the grips and my new stunt clutch. Also the Stunt Savage Creations cage came today, so me and the boys are going to be fitting this on the Grom. But before we do that, we're going to get this little bastard out and see how it sounds without a baffle. I'm fairly sure it's like a cheap Chinese exhaust, or it might be a Lextech or something, but you know, same thing. But yeah, so we're going to do a little before and after video of the sound, and then we will get to the stunt shit. Right, we've whacked the helmet on because I can't be asked to do this with one hand. I can't fucking speak English, and we've unwrapped shit as well. So yeah, we're gonna put the engine cage on first, and give it a go. Is that the wrong way around? You're good. I was gonna say fucking hell. I've fucked it already.
Right, so what you want to do is line that one up with that front one there.
Yeah, Sam.
So you want to put the longest bolts. There's two long ones and two short ones.
Yeah.
I think they're the short ones, so they go at the back. Those two go at the front.
Okay.
Sound.
That's going in to there. In the right hole, but it's fuck. Right, I'm gonna have to readjust my angle. My angle of penetration's gonna have to be readjusted then.
Joe's trying to get this small bolt in a tiny hole and we can't line it out. Oh, that is a difficult one. Wrong hole, mate. Just wiggle it about.
Fucking better than me. Oh, come on, you fucking pillock. Thanks. I'm just gonna fucking lie on the floor like Santa's bitch.
Santa's? Did you just say Santa's bitch?
I don't know what I'm
Oh yeah, Santa, renowned for lying on the ground. I was going to say, all you can see is me lying down. Hold on,
I'm zooming in on that when I head there.
I can't see better. These are plain, you need to use like 33 extensions to get them through there.
Oh fuck, right, okay.
This one goes like that, so your top engine mount. You want to grease these, otherwise they go gammy. Then you've got to get like 6 extensions on them.
I'll tell you got it long enough.
Oh, jeez.
What?
Yeah, sound. Fucking Coke, boys.
That's why you put grease on it. It goes all crusty. It smells of fish. Smell it. Smell the bolt.
Whoa, fuck me.
It smells of fish. Smell the bolt.
Why the fuck was putting in your boat?
Have you heard the exhaust as well?
Oh yeah, I heard it in the kitchen.
Sounds mint with the baffle out. That would be fucking cool. 430 for everything. It's alright, yeah.
It just means you can
Sam.
wheel it and that brake lead come off.
I haven't broken anything and I've looped several wheelies.
No, you just bricked yourself.
My favourite thing in the world. I love grease.
Rub it on that. It's basically lube in the bottom world.
Oh, lube me up, daddy.
That's staying in.
Right, you want to take that bolt out of the plate first?
Yeah.
Alan, can you get
Oh yeah. Oh fuck it, I need an alky. I don't want to drop the lubricant thing on the fucking floor.
the lube shaft?
I don't want to drop my lube shaft on the floor.
He's got to take his lube shaft and
I've got to put it in the hole.
he's got to put his lube shaft in the hole.
Got to put my lube shaft.
My nut.
Slide my lube shaft into your nut. Fucking hell, this video's got weird.
This is turning into a 440. You got to lube it up, don't you know? Lube it up.
Ow fuck, I just hit my fucking head on the handlebar.
And again.
It's the fucking helmet, jeez.
No, No, they don't come stock. They don't. You have to pay extra for titanium.
We need to stick it to on the back and wait for them to scrape it off.
Or loop it like I do. Mine looks cool because it looks like I can scrape. I can't.
Yeah, but that'd be quite cool. Like for the back of Joe's, just have the little and a little sticker that says.
Just put nonsense.
That's Halves one, mate.
Yeah, you just get stickers made up.
Right, she's coming through.
Who fired? Do that fish smelling hole.
Fish.
That's more weird.
I did fucking stink like that.
Right. Oh, you touch base. Now tighten me.
I've fucking cream pied the other side of it.
Oh, God.
Oh fuck yeah, spread it. Otherwise it's pain now.
Oh, my bike's just gonna fucking smell like fish. That's gonna be the.
Your bike smell like fish.
That actually looks fucking sick. So yeah, we've put that bottom plate on.
Right.
Let's put the main bolt through, and then we're doing the other two.
I'll grab that bar. Grab that bar. Oh no, that was Melanie. She's really nice.
It already looks really different.
You want to test it out by letting me loop a wheelie?
I'll let you wheelie it, but I don't know about looping it.
I'll give it a go with you.
Put the once we get the clutch,
It won't. If I did touch it, it won't break. But
it'll be fine.
I don't know. Right, now we need that.
That's going through the other end. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the bastard to get.
Shouldn't be too bad. Oh no, yes it should be.
I don't know what's happening anymore. So yeah, those two bolts are on that one, and that one down the bottom connected to the plate, and then we're just doing this last one where this bar goes in between, and then that will be the engine cage on, and then we'll put the sliders on.
Because that thing was too large.
Too large.
So.
Fucking hell! Look at that masterpiece right there. I feel like I'm doing fucking like keyhole surgery or some shit.
Grom hole surgery.
Grom hole. Actually does look kind of sick. Alright, so now we've got to take these 4 bolts underneath here off to get the stop cage and 12 bar on, and they're a fucking bastard. So
right, tip that I will give you:
yeah,
do not do what I did and drop those nuts down your fucking frame.
yeah.
They don't come out. Be careful when you take them out.
Come on. Sound. Got some fucking tunes going in the shed.
So fucking the wave show going on again.
That's one much fucking pop, mate. That's one.
What are you doing now? Do you want me to your Stunt Clutch?
Yeah, fuck it, yeah.
I'm gonna nick. This is very good. Need another one. Because what we've got to do is a little tip trick to YouTube.
This is
When you take off your clutch and you run a stunt clutch,
right. So putting the shorty little stunt clutch on.
What you'll see on the stock Grom clutch is the fact that you've got these, your neutral sensor sit. So when you pull the clutch in, you can't start the bike in gear unless you have the clutch pulled in. So you've got to bypass this. By joining the wires together, we usually use a fuse. Otherwise, the bikes run like shit, and they usually idle around 3k RPM, and they're just awful for some reason. Yeah, that's only if you don't do that. So yeah, bypass that with a fuse. That's all I can say.
Nice.
And I'll get swapping that over now.
Sound.
Much tighty.
Clutch is going on, and bolts are coming out of the back. That's the plan.
These leaders going in KTM?
I'll probably keep the ASV brake one on this, and then yeah, I might chuck the clutch one on my KTM.
Right, so kit with these Chinese clutches as well. They do snap clutch cables, so grease the fuck out of these.
Yeah.
So that first position is stock clutch feel. Mid one is like a medium clutch feel. I think that's where the RSCs are on it. That's what I got on mine. And that one is like the lightest clutch. I'd recommend going in the middle.
Sound. We'll do that.
And I like the clutch feel in the middle. If you don't like it, we can switch it over. Oh, fuck off. What do you want? Oh, it's Lewis.
say hello to me.
Hello, buddy. Yeah, not bad, mate. How are you doing? Good. Cam chain ticking on yours, so the likelihood of it actually going bang is not 100% likely, but it can happen.
Well, Lewis's Grom's dead.
Shit. Oh shit! Oh man. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. Soundbag, keep me updated, Joe. So, see you in a bit. Bye! Good time getting it wrong.
Lewis's Grom was blown up. Way! And Max is fucking behind it. I might have lost the washer for that, but
Did you do the. Oh fuck, I'm not.
fuck's sake, this fucking helmet. I don't know. It was there, and then I was too focused on getting the fucking nut out, and then it's gone.
Planner. Lewis said as soon as he finds another bike, he's selling him Grom.
Woohee!
If you're about, can I drop the bike to yours?
That Lewis?
Okay, meet you at mine at 7:30. Calm. Sorted, mate. See you then. Bye. Just bought a Grom.
Oh fucking hell! So Lewis's Grom blows up and you buy it.
Not about tonight.
Okay, we did right.
We're going out down in the woods.
Fuck me, I've just bought another Grom.
Fucking hell!
This is a bad situation.
Lewis blows it up and he's like, "Well, do you want it for fucking?"
I know this is all on video, the stages of me.
Fuck yeah! Literally, I'm gonna make it. I'll have to make a little video of that. How much have you got it for?
850 quid.
Fucking fair play. I might have to say goodbye to the washer. No, still there.
How do you feel that? Feel the position?
Fuck yeah, it's fucked.
Grease all over it, so probably
I'll be alright.
feel that.
I'll have a little feel. Yeah, the washers are fucked off down the frame, but we're all good. That's
Make it
perfect, yeah.
lighter than that if you want, that's the mid setting. But you've got, when you make it the lightest possible, the clutch engagement period is a lot longer.
Yeah.
I usually two-finger my RSC.
Yeah.
Sometimes two-finger. You sure?
I'm not going to be changing gear that frequently. Yeah, that's fine. We can always change it at a later date, but yeah. That seems fine. Right, so the stunt clutch is on, thanks to Max. And the 4 bolts are out. I've lost the washers down the frame, but the bolts are fine, which is all that matters. So essentially now we can get the sub cage on, and then 12 bar bolts to the sub cage when our sub cage is going.
Right, so you've got a line. Oh no. Right underneath.
Like a pain in the ass. What's that going to be? Yeah, because yeah. So I was thinking I was trying to get the.
RV.
Wait.
No, oh no. Oh, he just runs off.
It's like, oh, it's fine.
We might need your angle grinder skills.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Not on the cage, not on the cage.
No, not really. Might have watched a bit.
Got to chop half of these off to try and get that to seat over.
Oh, I got you. Can you just take a nigger out of that corner?
Yeah. Out on both sides we'll need it.
Okay. Well, mark it all up.
Right, so stunt clutches on as I mentioned. Sub cage was going on, but we need to do some angle grinder work. So, yeah.
Fucking great. Whoever wired this is a knob. RNG
Just make it fit.
I don't know. My KTM's got the RNG one, which was so fucking nice to fit. But
They're so expensive.
they are. Yeah, like £97 for the one on there.
Just to make your tail look a bit tinier.
Should we do the grips whilst he's faffing around with that?
Yeah. What he's fanning around and do this.
Where's the other ratchet? Oh, it's there. Must be big. Just buying a new fucking Grom.
Oh!
Taking a dump over the woods.
Fancy doing a Grom engine rebuild at some point then?
Huh?
Fancy doing a Grom rebuild at some point?
We're only over there for a day. Grab that fucking. There's no back to this. I just need
I'm sorry.
You had your little lips touched.
I had my lips touched and now I'm buying a Grom and I've seen you lot. I'm happy.
This finger tight or tight tight?
Tight on that fucking blade fall off again. Half, do you fancy cutting off some grips with an angle grinder?
There's a way of doing it.
That would, good one.
No, hang on. What ones are they? What ones
The
are they?
metal ones. That's
No.
glued on.
Get a screwdriver in there and pull them up so it comes off two pieces. That's the only way I could get them.
China's finest.
Bloody passion.
Hey,
Never go near them.
China's finest, these are. Right, so change of scenery. My battery actually died before I finished recording that last video. So I'm just going to make a little outro and go through everything that we've put on the bike. Obviously the engine cage was already on there, as well as the stunt clutch. We managed to cut the grips off, so we got the metal up, sort of pried it off, clipped it with pliers, and then just used the razor blade to slice them off, and then got the new grips on. These are Pro Taper pillow tops. They're pretty nice. Haven't really ridden with them much yet because my CBT's expired, so I need to do that. I've got it booked in for next week. Apart from that, Harv made a little sort of cut with the angle grinder in here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but we managed to basically get a sub cage on with a bit of fiddling, and then also the 12 bar went on, and that was a right bastard to get on with the tail tidy, but it's all on now. So that's what the bike looks like with everything updated. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you a little update. I didn't want to just end the video on a blank. I'm probably going to take this lever off, get a shorty lever and sell this because these are worth quite a bit. So yeah, I don't really want an expensive lever on there when I'm stunting it. Apart from that, there's still the axle sliders to go on, but I'm going to do that at another point because I need to edit this video. I'm actually in the middle of editing it as we speak. So I just thought I'd do a little outro, and yeah, so that's everything updated on the bike. Everything's on now, apart from the axle sliders. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. And it's more of sort of a pissing around video than an actual like tutorial to install it. Basically what we did was I just slapped the camera on, press record, and we just did sort of what we would normally do, went about normal business. If you want an actual in-depth tutorial about how to install it, I'll put a link to the actual Stunt Savage Creations guys install tutorial on their YouTube, and I'll also put a web link to their business website, so you can go in if you want order this stuff, and also you can just shoot Raf a message on Instagram, just Stunt Savage Creations on Instagram. And yeah, apart from that, that's the bike. In terms of what I want to do to the bike, I want to sort of, so this is everything. It's all visual at the moment, but I want to get a straight out pump in there, and then maybe some clutch springs and an RPM plate, and then we'll sort of probably leave it at that. Maybe a RS2 Yoshimura exhaust, but apart from that, that is it. That is what it looks like with everything done. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. As I said, it was more of a piss about than an actual proper install. But yeah, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.